So this is physics subject GRE 89. So basically the charge, moment, and the P moving in the horizontal, and basically there's a circle trajectory, but you can see only one portion of the circle. So ask you about following expression give the particle momentum. Okay, so how about we do this? The standard is QVB. This is the Lorentz force equals mv squared divided by r, right? So this you get r is mv over qb. So basically p over qb. P is the momentum. So all we get is just find r and times qb, which is our answer. While we find r and times qb, which is our p. So about how we do this. This is L, this is R minus S, this is R. So you can use the Go-Goose theorem or the Pythagoras theorem, and somebody said S is very less than L, so S is very small. So I can approximate this is R squared minus 2RS because S is so small. So R is approximate L divided by 2S. So P is just QB times R, which is QB times L squared divided by 2S. So QB L squared divided by 2S. So the answer is D. Okay, so easy question.